I am Hadley Ferguson, and I am the Executive Director of the EdCamp Foundation. Creative problem solving for me is at the heart of getting out of hierarchical thinking, of one person at the top knowing the answers and then imposing those answers on everybody else. Creative problem solving is about the team working together to build solutions. Creative problem solving for teachers starts with them. That it's hard to create a classroom where students have agency if you've never experienced agency yourself. And so taking control of your own learning and doing that independently, or if you look around at your school and you don't see a lot of creative thinkers, it can be really scary to be the one that says, maybe I'll try this. But if you can begin to connect with other teachers who are taking some risks in their classrooms, I think it's a lot easier to be a creative thinker at that point. Some of it's in the willingness to take a chance in the beginning and engage in a process that's messy rather than a clear path. In my classroom anyway, I tried as much as possible to not assess the creative process, because what creativity looks like to one student is not what it looks like to another student. So it's more about creating a space where people feel like it's okay to make mistakes, it's okay to try again, it's okay to do something wild that you've never done before, and then see where that goes. A lot of times with students, what I would try to do is create a collaborative environment. So you might have two students working side by side and then have them share with each other what they're doing or what's your biggest challenge, and see if the student beside you could help you with that challenge. You have to get away from there's one person with all the answers and get to a space where everybody's voice is welcome.